There's something happening online right now, but almost no one's talking about it. A quiet shift, a new kind of platform, one that's already helping some creators turn their digital skills into serious
You don't need to show your face even. You don't
without
even need any
ads,
special
without algorithms,
paid
and
to
without
create or
permission.
repurpose content about creators or brands.
It's not viral, it's not loud, and maybe that's intentional. Or because the ones who found it early, they're not sharing it.
$1,000 on Whop, and what an amazing day
Are making $10,000, $20,000, even $30,000 per
dollars in
month.
GMV. And what that means is that people have earned $1 billion using Whop.
Just
And I
did.
know you
And what you do next matters. They call it Whop.
It's a company called Whop, and they're a very young business that has already.
But it's not just a tool, it's a system, a digital launchpad hidden in plain sight, quietly empowering thousands of creators to run real businesses without middlemen, gatekeepers, or
Whop
censorship.
is an operating system that lets you build, manage, and scale pretty much every aspect.
Imagine this, your own storefront, your own pricing, your own community, and connected to Discord, Telegram, Notion, even private content hubs.
1,000 views your clip generates, you earn about $1.
Set it up once, and it runs automatically. You control what you sell, how it's delivered, and who gets access. Most people, they're stuck trying to beat algorithms, not realizing there's a backdoor to monetizing what they already know. And what happens next is why the smartest creators stay
more
quiet.
your users use your product, the more money you make, the better the satisfaction is.
Powering the future of the internet, being used mostly by creators and businesses selling digital products, memberships, and
It's
services.
still wide open right now. If you go to whop.com and click on the Explore tab and then sort by content rewards, you'll see dozens of creators actively looking for clippers, but not nearly enough people
Most people
do.
won't use Whop, not because it doesn't work, but because it doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't promise fake dreams. It just delivers quietly.
Eye for opportunity. They're constantly searching for creators who produce content with lots of clippable moments. They study these creators' communication.
The ones who know, they don't flex, they just build. Real communities, coaching empires, private knowledge bases, dropshipping kits, software tools.
This by finding creators in niche online communities, showing them the opportunity, giving them content guidelines, and having them post videos about the brand.
Some creators are earning while they sleep, but you won't see it on your feed unless you know where to look. Spaces are limited. No, seriously. Some Whop storefronts close access after 100 members. Some don't open at all. It's not about reaching everyone. It's about reaching the right ones, the ones ready to act. If you're still watching, you might be one of them.
More your users use your product, the more money you make, the better the satisfaction is.
Remember the first time you posted something online? The hope, the spark, the belief it could lead to more.
Eye for opportunity. They're constantly searching for creators who produce content with lots of clippable moments. They study these creators'
Then
communication.
came the rules, the shadow bans, the random takedowns, the updates that killed your reach overnight.
Blue ocean market. Well, thousands of agencies are competing.
And maybe you started to wonder who's really in control. Whop is different because it puts the power back in your hands.
Dollars in GMV. And what that means is that people have earned $1 billion using Whop. And I
No
know
begging for monetization, no waiting on approval, no fighting an algorithm designed to keep you average. You own your store, you set the price, you choose who gets in. Finally, freedom looks like this, but you still have to make the move, and the clock's already ticking.
Right now are making $10,000, $20,000, even $30,000 per month.
Let's be honest, most people will watch this and scroll away. They'll wait, think, hesitate until the moment's gone. But a few, they'll act, they'll launch, they'll build.
Being used mostly by creators and businesses selling digital products, memberships, and services online.
Now, step number 3, get set up on Whop Marketplace. Leverage the market.
You already have something to sell or teach, and if not yet, Whop helps you build it. Start with one product, one offer, one idea. That's how it begins. This is your space, you store, you shot.
We've even seen Whop offer financing options like Klarna or Afterpay built into the check.
Because the truth is, creators aren't waiting to be chosen anymore. They're choosing themselves right here, right now.
Well, Whop, uppercase, is the online platform, of course, whereas Whop, lowercase, is your online hub, really the space for your business and your community. Then,
If you're still here, this wasn't just content for you. Most people need permission, but builders, they just need a direction. So here's yours, Whopcom. Close this tab or open a new chapter.